guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Mona share this to go give her. Share this to go give her Victor. Say 2024 and the Rothman, the home of equal right and justice, is ready for him. No cause he lies. Where those lies will lead to. Mark Kevin, wait for me. Abieyuwa, wait for me. Wait for me 2024. Wait for me. Mark Kevin, wait for me. The music, okay? Make a pause, sir. Mark Kevin. This small picking. Yeah, I love the music. Make I tell you, Frank Victor, you are a baby. You remain a baby. Mark Kevin, Abieyuwa, wait for me. 2024. I promise you, I say, I dey come for ma. I look say Frank Victor not the get what he want talk. Frank Victor, if you know what he just fit you, go and hide his shame. Because who gets sense? Who not be fool? When you claim say you be man one, you should know. Say you have overstayed your welcome. Your welcome. You've overstayed your welcome. You come for those cyberspace. You put pennies for public domain. You come for those cyberspace. You tell the words how you take go leak blood. You come tell us another one. I saw shit there for woman yash, Frank Victor. If you know the shame. You don't need the prophet. You don't need anybody to tell you. Go and hide honorably in shame. If not, you don't get who you go talk. We go drag it from now to eternity. There will be no woman. Except Mama Kevin want to die ashamed. Wish I would burn her package. Wish Abieyuwa should be ashamed to even associate with you in the first place. This is reality. This is not fallacy. This is not lies. This is reality. It is what you have you can give. You're just a fucking idiotic wannabe person. You think you can brainwash, you can influence, you can indoctrinate, but obviously, for this cyberspace where I dey, I will bring your fault. Your fault, it do smell. Your fault, they ooze. Your fault, they goose. Your fault is nothing to be comparable to. So those who get ear, may they hear. Not before lapa people like you. But you cannot come to this space to come the talk say you be king of saga, you be king of Edo cyberspace, whereby you are a negative product. You be negativity. Everything all about you is all encompassed at what negativity entails. So I wonder, who are those people watching you? Who are those people benefiting, tapping from you? Mad people. Musicians, crazy musicians, when not think they'll be musicians, because technology just can't grow. They can just take a sound, come they chant, they talk nonsense, they promote idiots like you. You think so you're not glorified, you talk now do. Frank Victor, I warn you again. Today, now 30th of December, I promise you, from January 1st, bring out your best. I will buy your package. Words for words. Lie, because you be epitome of lies. I will burn your package. Seriously, I will burn your package because your lies is too much. I have given a warning. You know what will save you? Don't ever think it. Don't deem it fit to come on air, to go ask for anybody. Say, adulterous case on your table because you are assoiled like them. Clear your name for Mama Ego. Clear your name for Mama Kevin. You're not a peacemaker. You are a destroyer. That's what you are doing. You be destroyer. You be destroyer. You came to preach what you want to do. For fools to tally along with you, say, you want to make the difference. Whereby this has been your passion. To be the central. To call the fuckable, unfuckable. That has been your dream. I see you. When I dump you, I say, no. Can anything come out of this boy called Abieyuwa? Obviously, I decide, I confirm nothing good will ever come out of you. Your doom is so near, and I tell you, because you are offended those that are greater than you. As a small boy, you say you be wish, that wish will clear for your eyes. I know they put to have a man talker any day, anytime. Victor, that wish will clear for your eyes. On a good day, that wish will clear for your eyes. Do your word juju. Maybe they sacrifice upon your head. Your case. I never really sit down. I usually come for outside. Now I say, make I still give the warning when I give. Sometimes I will do some videos, I will delete. I will say, I'm a political guy now, I cannot do all these things. But for your case, I will go to the X-ray. For your matter, I will go to the X-ray because no truth for your matter. The same destiny back where you don't beat. The same destiny back where you don't beat. Call am human trafficker. Now you try to support today. The same Esther where you don't beat. Now you try to support today. I don't want to go to all this shenanigans of this dancing from one place to another. But I want to tell you, most of your faults have not even started. I have not even started. When I start, I go finish you. I dey watch you. When that choir master die for your program, I even give you moment to say, don't worry. In as much you stand for truth. But today, truth is so far from you. You're not near truth. There's nothing called truth around you. Those musicians who they play for you, all of them will be called to justice. One day, all of them will be called to justice. I promise you that. I promise you that. Damn, Frank Victor, you dey mad. Who they fear you for those cyberspace? You dey mad, Frank Victor. You dey mad. As you say, you smart fish. You not see fine or shame make you see something different. No level, nothing. Jumping from one single mother house to another single mother house. Now that thing what can show young vibrant men. Then we will marry women, we build them. 15 years ago, you come say we will not do nothing great. But not today. You come 6 years ago, they jump from single mother house to single mother. Nothing you can do. Nothing you can do. That's what they say. That is the proverb. They say, small picky will say, why papa not rich? When the time reach, you go know why papa not rich. That's your case. You talk, but you cannot implement what you talk. You talk, but you cannot do it in reality. In physical world, you just preach negative. They preacher that cannot do what he speaks. Frank Victor, I'm ready for you. I'm not done. I'm still testing the microphone for your matter. You say they beat people. Me, I go see how you go to beat me now. How you want to beat me? When my 2 legs strong for the gang, gidigba. I get document for the gang, gidigba. Pass you. I get money, pass you, gidigba. I only wait for Facebook money, gidigba. I get everything, pass you. I go see how you want to beat me now. How you want to beat me? Make it a sample your 1,000 euro Facebook pay you. That was a sample billions. Damn. Yeah, Peking. You don't know, say that they respect elders. You want to come claim. Elders, the bag will come give you money now. Now you don't deviate. You don't deviate. I don't want to go to a topical, but I see how you people are so confused. Una too confused. Una confusion is smell. Jumping from today, what you talk yesterday, your words is not your bond. Now deviate automatically. Then you know, I think who not the fool? Like people they watch you now. People they watch you now. You the fool. I have not even started with you. This preamble. Now I dey for with your case. I dey do preamble. I dey do press up for your matter. I promise you, 2024. Those your lies cannot stand the test of time. You must hide the shame because you need to go to sober reflection for you to put your dick on this space where you go drink or go finish. It's enough for you to be off air for 6 months and not see you. as a man with honor, which that honor I know you don't have. They try to convince people, make they still believe you. Who will believe you? You are confused already. Seriously confused already. Those people, they play music for you are confused. Those people, they watch you, they follow you confused. House arrest, confused. It's a preamble. I tell you something, a preamble. Not start with you. I'm the counter puncher. Where I beat, when I fight for POI, go fight for POI now. POI is dead on arrival. You cannot, I fought for POI in 2020. You never know what to be politics. All the kangaroos, all the greyhounds, all the nobodies want to fight for POI. Go there. POI is dead on arrival. I'm not ready for POI yet, but your case, Van Victor, that's me I can't talk about. You are a small boy, a little boy of no knowledge. You are a child of no knowledge. That's what I just may pass across to you. A year boy, hungry boy, jumping from one parlor from single mother to another single mother. A young boy, a young man. You don't be young boy, you be young man. You say now you know everything pass by. Now you say now you go to see the Beyonces, the Darigo, all the young girls with their breasts they shoot. But you jump from one single mother to another single mother. You're a failure. You're a fucking failure, Franguito. You be failure. You be failure. Be failure. You be failure. You be failure. The word called failure, the definition of failure, that's what you are. As you say your man sharpish, man wine. There was the day where you did for room, for one supermarket for room. That small girl still blow your nonsense out. You never still get one small Oshere, may they still say king of those social media. Get a young, vibrant girl. Jumping, Mama Kevin, parlor to parlor. Mama Kevin. The first one, you go leak blood. They disgrace you. The second one, you disgrace yourself out. You say a thief start. See, this is Guinness start here. Guinness start there with me for you. I can choose to dash somebody 100 bottles of Guinness start. I will not even ask. How stupid you are. Woman take Guinness start for your house. Now you go to talk with those cyberspace. Very useless human being. Stupid human being. Guinness start. He put her for bag. He want to convince us we'll be men. A great man. Not they ask what the woman take. Let woman go. Let her go. If you know your worth, you go replace that woman. Double. Not be your wife. You never pay bride price put for her head. They cry for Guinness start. You're a failure, Frank Vito. Seriously. You be failure. This is my brief message to you. Make I leave you. If need be, I'll come back for you again. Tomorrow. If need be, on my New Year broadcast, I'll put you into it. You will failure. What I just asked you is to go back and do your sober reflection and hide in shame. That is what honorable men does. You don't try to use words, stupid words to cover your shames. What me I want for you now? Go prove yourself so you don't fuck on my ego. After that one, make peace with one Kevin and his husband. As the person they find find solution to adulterous matter, whereby nobody bestow those authority upon you. You are a stupid boy. You don't feel consider because they do so. You are come here bada for your matter. I can be in the street talk about your matter. But it's so unfortunate that this house. That's something I still talk about your stupid matter because your matter not get bearing for a man day. Your matter is so worthless. Seriously, so worthless. With that being said, I've been done. I'm done with you for dinner.